Hello YouTube, how you all doing? Well, I actually want to talk about VISL. This is VISL technologies, right? This VISL technology, this is the trend. I've been watching this trend for a long time, like a hawk. Right? It's just crazy how this stock has been trading, okay? The stock is so quick and fast to move down with the market, but it doesn't move up and fast just like the market does, which is SPY, S&P 500. So right now, we actually supported, we broke below 200, reclaimed the 200, supported. We tried to break this trend, we couldn't. The market just sold off. And this one just sold off like mad crazy. Okay, back to the 200. 200 is holding right now. Now we're working, you know, the 20 EMA. Okay, so the 20 EMA is at $2.41, which we actually closed right on the money there. Right, so this is the trend level I am watching on VISL. The thing is, I just don't understand what the management is doing with this company. This company, this stock itself should be trading around $15 per share at this point in time, with all the partnership and all the deals that they've been getting. Look at what they got of recent. Okay, look at it. This is their quarter report. Now look, Restech highlight VISL as key contributor to successful festival broadcast. The other day, VISL received multi-million-dollar contract to provide onboard and trackside RF cameras and remote production system to NEP. Okay, so you know, looking at this company, you know, they receive a contract with a Department of Defense or something the other day as well. And now VISL partner to support statewide ATSC 3.0 network upgrade for Alabama public television. Okay, so you know, with all these deals they've been making, maybe I can find it here on Finviz. Okay, with all the meta, what was that? Last year July was a 146 reverse stock split, and the stock did push higher. And now the VISL awarded $4 million US Department of Defense order for handheld intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance receiver device. So they also launched new IP native quantum wireless camera receiver to drive remote operational efficiency via innovative IP connectivity. If you don't know what IP is internet protocol. Okay, that is what IP is. They've received all this multi-million-dollar contract. What is holding the goddamn stock? What is holding the stock? Every time the market pulls down, this stock pulls down times 10. Okay, that is what I'm talking about. It is crazy. It is really crazy. What are the management doing? Yes, I know, yeah, the better is 1.7, yeah, blah, blah, blah. But what is happening to the stock when the market is actually pushing higher? This stock is lagging, right? But when the market is pulling down, this stock is going down times 50, right? So it doesn't make sense to me. It just literally doesn't. Yes, this stock will run. Look at the short floats, 17.88% with shares float of 36 million shares, right? So, in my opinion, you're looking at it on Thinkorswim. This is Thinkorswim right here, right? You look at the volume. Every time, every single day, we are dropping volume. Okay, the volume is dying down every single day. Now the volume is dying down, but the stock is pushing higher. So guess what is going to happen when we get to this resistance, which is right here, 241, 250 spot? The stock is going to reject because there's no volume to push it higher. So I don't see any reason why this company should be trading at this price with all the, all the deals, the multi-million dollar deals and all that they got going on. Now, let's go ahead and dive into their earnings report. It's a VISL Link report first quarter 2020 financial results, right? So, that was on the, let's say, they host the live stuff on the 18th. So, officially launched Quantum IP native wireless camera receiver. Okay, we know that. Launch IP Link 3.0. We know that. Receive an order to partner with technical services group. Project value at 2.8 million to upgrade. We know that. Okay, now receive order valued at 4 million. That is what? That is 6.8 million so far, right? So announce another contract with Middle East with it's just, I don't know if all this information that they got going on is just bogus information. Okay, first quarter 2021 revenues were 4.1 compared to 5.41 in the first quarter. So pretty much that is a loss right there. Okay, 4.1 compared to 5.4. That is a loss. So gross margins were 46% of revenue in the first quarter compared to 47%. So in the first quarter of 2020, net loss was 2.7 million. Okay, or 0.07 per share compared to net loss of 4.4 or 0.54 per share in the first quarter of 2020. Okay, so let's see, ended with the first quarter with 60 million in cash and cash equivalent compared to 5.2 million in December. That is okay, they did good there, but guess what, the stock is still trading like shit. Okay, now, the first quarter of 2021, we started to realize revenue from projects that had been delayed or canceled because of pandemic. Blame it on the COVID, right? Among our notable wins was being selected as project supplier. This is all bullshit, right? So, all I need is, are you doing good? Is the company working? So why is the stock lagging behind? Good news should push this stock higher. Okay, that is what a good news should be. You don't want to, this stock shouldn't be at this level. It should be a $10, $20 stock at this point with all they claim, with all these, all these updates, some business update they have, this should be higher than where it is, right? Okay, it should be at least $10. But guess what? The market dropped 1 point. VISL Link dropped 50 cents or even $1. Okay. So, anyways, that is my deal with VISL Link. But looking at the technical side, see how we are actually, we consolidated right around here. Now we're trying to break out. The only thing is, I just don't like the volume. Okay, I don't like the volume that we have, lower lows, though they are by volume, right? But still, the volume is shrinking each day by day. The volume is just shrinking each day by day. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is for VISL. Have you guys a fantastic day. Bye bye.